Hello everybody. Today, welcome to my Lunar Mission. And it's by me, Saachi Aurora. Let's start and see my project. Lunar Mission by Saachi Aurora. So this is all she dreamed about she can do in space. She's dreaming that she can have a pizza party with her friends and swing or slide on the moon, climb up to the stars and the whole solar system. And look at the solar system. Next is, let's see what's next. So it's another all I can do in space. So let's see. So this is all I can do in space. Continue. So she thinks she can float, swing on moon with a star balloon, planting, and have a pajama party. Like the Saturn is their house, and their cozy little sleepover place is on the moon, and one of the boys is climbing up to the Saturn. Funny. Now let's go continue. Let's see what's next. What is the Here she is ready to fly, and here Luna has grown up and become an astronaut. Then, after that, there is another last slide is here I am, and she has become an astronaut. Starting from her dreams, she had just walked a long way through her life, and she became an astronaut and put the first flag on the moon. So, if you all have a dream, please remember